What are you doing, little boy?
Huh? Oh, me? I'm just sitting down.
Why?
'Cause I'm very, very bored.
No, that is impossible.
No, it is pretty possible.
No, not with your new
I knew what?
tape measure.
Tape measure? Why would I want a tape measure?
Here is your tape measure.
What the heck? Tape measure? Why was it in my shirt? Whoever is talking right now, you're a psychopath.
Psychopath? Ho ho ho! Nonsense, boy.
Actually, yeah, you're a psychopath. Because you think a kid is actually going to enjoy one of these things? I mean, seriously. Other than that, you're nice. But, yeah, you're not really a good, advertiser. I mean, seriously. You're not. You're just telling you the truth. Now, don't cry on me. Hey, shut up!
No!
I'm going to throw this tape measure at you.
You don't know where I am.
Very true.